Hello guys, this is Sushil. I'm gonna start the Python series from today. So if you like this video, do share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming video. I'm using here the PyCharm editor. You can use any editor of your choice. So let's get started. To print hello world in Python, first of all we'll have to create a Python file. So to create a Python file, just go to the file, new Python file, and just write the name of your file. I'm writing here hello world, and just press enter. So here we go. To print hello world in Python, this is your first step. Just we have to use the print function. I will pass the string, and means whatever you want to print will just pass. So it's so simple to print hello world in Python. So just start. Let's get started. So print with the bracket. So inside the double quote I'll pass hello world. That's it. And just go to run, to the run. Here we go. You can see the output hello world. So thank you for watching.